Welcome to the Crypto Football YouTube channel. Today, I want to bring you up to speed with the current developments in the cryptocurrency market. And before us, here is the chart of Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and we are looking at the chart of Bitcoin on a daily time uh, frame. A few days ago, I told the few number of persons that are in my WhatsApp group that Bitcoin has successfully formed this symmetric triangle, and this symmetric triangle is actually a bullish symmetric triangle, and not quite up to 48 hours, we saw Bitcoin breaking out of this symmetric triangle as expected. Now, what is next for Bitcoin? We are seeing Bitcoin, you know, having a bit of stress to go above this current price of 66K, and I think there's no much to say there, rather than to understand that we have a neckline here. In Bitcoin, we need to break. This was the previous high, so and this previous high is the neckline where Bitcoin will need to break. So we are going to be watching out for this in the next 24 hours, because we expect Bitcoin to actually move above this 66 65K territory where it has been stalled for some hours. We have some confidence that that will happen, because looking at the RSI, we are perfectly above 60. Yeah, that's what the RSI is showing us. We're probably above 60. So, and above 60, as we all understand, is a very bullish territory. So let's see what is going to happen in the next 24 hours. But right now, the odds favors the upside. Let's zoom out and see what the market participants are doing. Um, all right, let's see what the market participants are doing. Right now, we can see demand coming in gradually and stepping up. You know, for us to see something very, very, dramatic, then we will need to see a candle, a green bar as high as this, and as this, for Bitcoin to do something very serious. And then again, I want us to also put in remembrance that the CPR also showed us the target for the Bitcoin price in this month, and those targets are some of the target that we are watching out for. Some of the price, points that we are watching out for. The CPR showed us 71,000 naira as 71K as the first target, and 81K as the second target, and finally we have 94K as the final target. So this is for Bitcoin, and this is what we are expecting, and we are watching out for this in the coming days and weeks. We are actually expecting the market to do something dramatic. And then also, let's look at this fractal by this guy Ted there on Twitter. We can see from 2011 the market made a mid-cycle, and from there moved to the top. 2013 mid-cycle, from there moved to the top. 2017 mid-cycle, from there moved to the top. And here is 2021. We are right at the mid-cycle, and we are about moving. If history will repeat itself, then we should see Bitcoin around $320,000. That should be around between December and January. All right, let's quickly look at some of the hottest, metaverse, token. Now, a coin. This is a metaverse. This metaverse, I think, it's one of the hottest token now, and I think it is almost in a buy territory. It's almost in a buy territory. Let's look at the charts. This is quite serious. From all-time high, we are minus 47 from all-time high. Well, I think this is one of the. Let's look at the market cap. Okay, not yet available. I think this is one of the tokens that I personally have been keeping an eye on. and I expect this token to do this coin to do very well. Because the metaverse is one small market sector that you just imagine, and it is going to grow very big as the market mature. So this is one of the tokens that personally I'm keeping an eye on. Let's look at the website. This is metaverse.gg. This is their website, and if you click here and you connect to your decentralized wallet, you start playing the games. And let's look at what these guys are up to. Universe introduction. The metaverse is actually coming and it's going to become very big in cryptocurrency. Metaverse is a multiplayer strategy role-playing game with a vast universe powered by a growing digital economy built on blockchain technology. Choose your own path using a vast collection of NFTs and impact every major event across the galaxy. As battles rage and governments fall, it is up to you to earn your share of the vast fortune that awaits you. Yeah, this is quite interesting. A lot of guys are just sitting there playing these games and making money. You know, that's it's listed on Gamify, Red Kits, Poly Launcher, and look at the investors that are behind these projects. These are big investors, big VCs. Mr. Beast, Box Mining, a popular guy. Magnus Capital, Double Peak, Raptor Capital, and the rest of them. These are no names. Look at their partners, Babylon, Network, MBB, Balance Machine. These are not small names in the industry. They will not back a project that will fail. They will not back a project that will fail. And there is one other project that I have been keeping an eye on. I think that project is going to also do very well in this market. That is a Dream Quest. I've been keeping an eye on Dream Quest also. Let's see Dream Quest. Let's see what Dream Quest is up to right now. Okay, I think we should get this in coin market cap. We should get this in coin market cap. Dream Quest. Alright, here we go. This is Dream Quest. This is one of the gaming token also that I'm very optimistic about. In my personal opinion, it's not an investment advice, please. It's just my personal opinion. And looking at these guys, their maximum supply is 4 billion. Let's quickly look at the all-time high. This guy is already in the buy territory now. Looking at, alright, wow, what a pretty sweet buy territory this guy is right now. What a pretty sweet buy territory for Game Quest. Can buy it on Binance Smart Chain. Can buy it on a pancake swap. Let's look at 74% away from the all-time high. Is in the buy territory, and I think these are one of the gaming token also that I have been keeping an eye on personally, and I think this project is going to do well in this market as the market grows and move to a territory where it's going to be catching attention of a lot of persons. I think this is the right time for us to key into most of these projects. Now, the network is quite very slow, and I intended to open up the website so that we can see actually what these guys are doing, but the network is quite very slow. Alright, let's come back to the Bitcoin chart. Now, the reason why we dwell our attention on the Bitcoin chart is because whatever Bitcoin does in the market is going to reflect on every other asset in the market. And let's also take note that if a Bitcoin move dramatically to the upside as we are expecting, the other coins